What makes the world a better place is beautiful fabrics. So we're going to start this morning. Most of these, well, they're all Italian imported, but some of these are the ones I hadn't created, and I'm just really excited about them. I just love them. This is a viscose. It's a woven viscose, so it's very light. This would make a beautiful bias pant. Very lightweight, and it would just flow beautifully. And so what I was thinking is, when I was putting these up, is what would coordinate with it. So if you did a bias pant out of this, 100% viscose woven, you could do a beautiful little knit top out of this. And you can see the colors. This is an orange red. You can see the colors just, or you could even do blue red, because this print has both of them in it. It's blue red and orange red, which is what's really pretty. But this would just be a really beautiful top that could be worn with it. But it also, oh, I'm sorry, this is a cotton poly, stretch in one direction. It's a like a rib, well, not a ribbed, it's like a pleated, like a corded. It's very nice, has great drape. This is a fabric I also had done in Italy. I love the colors of this. I thought it was just so contemporary. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It's beautiful. The drape is also great, and this also would be great for the top that we're going to do, or the pants, either one. This would also work for the pants. I put this in because this is 100% cotton. It's beautiful. It's lightweight. Again, it coordinates back to this color. I just wanted you to see that. It also has some orange detail in it here. You can see this is the lighter of the two colors, but it works really well. So this is 100% cotton. This is a woven, 100% cotton, made in Italy. And then this is, they're all different price points. There's really not one price point. They go from $14.99 to $29.99, or to, that one's a little bit more. But anyway, this is a gauze. It's a light orange. It's beautiful. This would make a great bias pant. If you want something lightweight, something really pretty, this would work really well. 100% cotton, and this is 100% wool. And I just absolutely love this. This is the more expensive one. I put this orange in because they just blend so beautifully together. You could do pants out of this and top, or opposite. But this would be just a beautiful blouse. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It is 100% wool. It's like a challis. It's a woven, and so there's no stretch to it at all. All right, so they're just beautiful. I hope you enjoy. The goal, as you know it, is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.